everyone and welcome to another video from Furniture_Makeover. My name is Noor and this is where I flip trash into treasure. In this episode you'll see me making over the door on my right. It looked like crap. It was horrible, it was bad, I need replacement. And of course you can just remove it and replace it. But why spend $150 to $200? Well, you can do it yourself for free. Before we get to it, if you don't follow me already, please subscribe, and you can also click the bell button so that you can get notified every time I post something. Also, if you don't follow me on Instagram, please follow me at Furniture_Makeover, where you can see me every day on my stories, DIYing, tearing down walls, moving furniture, doing everything in this home until I'm bored and I'll get another one. But that's basically what I'm doing. I'm extremely busy. I have a job outside of this. I do this for a hobby. So I go to work 9 to 5. After work, I come home and I do what I do, and then barely sleep, and then do it all over again every day until I finally make a little bit of time for this to film it for you. So let's stop talking and get to the DIY. This is the bathroom door that I'm gonna be making over, and as you see, it has a lot of damage. They've painted it before and it was dripping. This looks like a different color paint here, same as the hinges. And this I like, but it looks like they had a larger one before. So it's just horrible all around. And once you get to the handle, it gets worse and worse and worse. So I'm gonna be removing the handle, obviously cleaning all of the dirt right there. And I'm gonna be using nail polish remover to remove all of this because it's ugly. And from there, I'll be sanding everything and painting it, and we'll go from that. The material that I'll be using to repair this door are sanding paper, so that I can remove all the paint and damage that are there. I'm also going to be using gloves because I don't want to have paint on my hand this time. I also got this tiny drill bit to remove this piece right here, and a regular drill to remove this, which I placed right there. Nescafe because it's really cold right now and I feel like it. Also my phone holder for now because I broke my ring. This is the paint I'm using for all the white that I'm using in the house, and I usually put the roller and a brush in a bag, air sealed as much as possible, if I'm gonna use it the next day or the day after. This way I don't have to wash it over and over and over. I started by removing the knob and the little hook in the back so that I can have a clean surface for me to sand and paint easily. I wanted to pause right here and tell you that the only cost that I had to pay for was actually just the paint, and I already had the paint. So if you were thinking of DIYing a house, or it could be as small as just painting a door, which actually did a huge difference in this restroom because the whole restroom was nice except for the door. It only costed me the paint and 2 pieces of sanding paper. So if you do not have paint laying around in your house, you can just buy a quarter of a gallon, which is between $15 and $18 if you buy bare, which is what I do from Home Depot. Just by getting that, you can finish the door and have enough for multiple doors. And other than that, you just need a sanding paper, which I only use the paper. I didn't use a sander because I didn't want to make a mess in the house. I used 2 pieces. The whole thing has 10 pieces and it's $7 or $8. So under $30 you'll be able to make the door instead of spending $150. It took me only 2 hours, honestly, and I didn't have to stay out of the room or anything. So you should not let anything between you and DIY. As you see in this clip, the moment the brush touches the door, it already looks 10 times better, and I was already very satisfied with only one coat. I ended up applying 2 coats and the results were just amazing. I hope you liked this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you. I hope you like my hair. And I really look forward to making more videos like this, where I can show you things that I do around the house that can be affordable and enjoyable for you, that can turn your house into a home where it's something that you can really enjoy living in, rather than something dreadful or hoping for a better house in the future. You can turn your current house into your better house. Also, if you like anything that I used throughout the entire makeover, let me know. That's including my hair product if you're interested, honestly. But until next week, I will see you, and if you have any questions, just let me know. I will be more than happy to answer your questions. Again, please make sure you subscribe, and if you like, you can follow me on Instagram, where you can see me daily on my stories. Thank you very much, and have a great week.